In a world where the future feels uncertain and the challenges seem insurmountable, a generation of children is waiting for a hero who looks like them. But they won't just find a hero, they will become the heroes. Abracadabra does not mean magic. In ancient Aramaic, it means, I create as I speak. Words do not describe reality, they create it. Meet Kavi Vaak, the spoken poet, a boy from Varanasi, India, who discovers the Compendium of Unfinished Beings, a book of creatures waiting to be spoken into existence. When Kavi speaks the ancient words, the Ganges responds. The plastifiga rises, a magnificent creature that heals the water. The first conjuring. He is not alone. This is the Abracadabra Brigade. 6 children from 6 ancient traditions across the global south and beyond. Amara, the wire weaver from Ghana. Tomoko from Japan. Samuel from Nigeria. Lucia from Colombia. Dakota from the Haudenosaunee. Children who wish for a better world and are given the agency to speak it into existence. Guided by the Parliament of Elders, they must stand against Victor Hagen, a man who believes only in extraction and control. This is more than a story. It is a movement, a franchise full of heart, soul, and power. Books, films, augmented reality, and a theme park experience where the magic is real. For the millions of underrepresented fans around the world who have never seen themselves at the center of the hero's journey, their time has come. The mythology the 21st century has been waiting for. The story has already begun.